Adding files to Dropbox, it's pretty easy. You can follow the different device and methods that can help you to do that. You can start adding files to Dropbox from your computer using Dropbox Desktop. Install the Dropbox Desktop if you haven't already. You can download it from the Dropbox website. You can once install it, you can now a Dropbox folder will be created on your computer. Now you can open the Dropbox folder. Now you can access it with the File Explorer Manager and Finder and Desktop. You can now drag and drop the files or folders into Dropbox folder. This will automatically upload your Dropbox account. You will see a syncing icon while uploaded. This is simple kind of OneDrive that you think in your Windows device. However, Dropbox will help you to do the same thing in different operating system. You can even use GoDropbox.com website. Here you can even log in with your account. You can now click on upload button, and then you can upload it via up facing arrow. You can choose files or folders depending on what you want to upload. You can entirely upload a directory, depends on you. You can browse your computer to select the files and plan. Now you can open it and upload it. The files will be uploaded and available in your Dropbox account. You can use even mobile app or Android things to even add it. You can even adding files by email. Dropbox file request. You can go to file request section of the sidebar setting and create a request and enter the details like folder to upload to, send the email address to others. You can then find directly to Dropbox without needing an account. So this was how